In this video, I will discuss current affair MCQ. You can use this video as preparation booster for your current affair portion of competitive examination. With reference to the national effective exchange rate, consider the following statements. The NEER of the rupee is a weighted average of bilateral exchange rate between the rupee and the basket of foreign currencies. A decrease in NEER index denotes depreciation in rupees value. Which of the statement given above are correct? Your options are A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is C both 1 and 2. The Reserve Bank of India tabulates an rupees nominal effective exchange rate NEER in relation to the currencies of 36 trading partner countries. It is calculated as a weighted average of bilateral exchange rate of rupees against the foreign currency, hence statement 1 is correct. A decrease in NEER index denotes depreciation in rupees value, whereas an increase reflects appreciation, hence statement 2 is correct. With regards of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, consider the following statements. The Bardoli campaign of 1928 earned him the title of Sardar. He was the first Home Minister of independent India. He established the Mother All India Services System. Which of the statements given above are correct? Your options are A 1 only, B 1 and 2 only, C 2 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is D 1, 2 and 3. The Bardoli campaign of 1928 earned Vallabhbhai Patel the title Sardar, hence statement 1 is correct. He was the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of independent India, hence statement 2 is correct. He is also remembered as the patron saint of India's civil servants, and he established the modern All India Services System, hence statement 3 is correct. With reference to the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, consider the following statements. It is multilateral development bank with member from G20 as well. It allows for membership to sovereign entries only. Which of the statement given above are not correct? Your options are A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is B 2 only. The Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is a multilateral development bank. 14 of G20 nations are its member, including France, Germany, Italy and United Kingdom. Hence statement 1 is correct. The AIIB, unlike any other MDB, allow for non-sovereign entity to apply for the membership, assuming their home country is a member. Hence statement 2 is not correct. With reference to the biochemical oxygen demand, consider the following statement. It is the amount of dissolved oxygen needed by the microorganism to decompose organism matter under aerobic reaction. Higher value of BOD means less polluted water, which is beneficial for marine animal. Which of the statement given above are correct? Your options are A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is A 1 only. The biochemical oxygen demand is the amount of dissolved oxygen needed by the microorganism to decompose organism matter under aerobic reaction. Hence statement 1 is correct. The higher value of BOD means that the water is more polluted because more oxygen is needed to decompose a large quantity of organic matter present in the water. It lowers the amount of dissolved oxygen value available for marine animal, which is not good for them. Hence statement 2 is not correct. With reference to the Indian Red Cross Society, consider the following statements. It is a voluntary organization which provides relief in times of emergency and promotes health and care of the vulnerable people. The Union Health Minister is the president of the Indian Red Cross Society. Which of the statements given above are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is A. 1 only. The Indian Red Cross is a voluntary humanitarian organization providing relief in times of disaster emergency and promote health and care of vulnerable people and communities. Hence statement 1 is correct. The President of India is a president and the Union Health Minister is the chairman of the society. Hence statement 2 is not correct. Do like this video and comment on this video how you feel about this video. Do subscribe this channel Friends at Preparation for more such kind of video that help you in your preparation. Thank you for watching.